Hello friends, welcome all to the Max lecture series. In our today's session, we are going to learn something new, like we are going to learn one more property. Don't be bothered just by looking into the question. This question is very easy. Let us make it easy. Before looking into the solution, as usual, if you really understand whatever the content that I am delivering, don't forget to click that like button and also share it with all our friends. So let us take the given function. If you observe, whenever trigonometric function is given within the limit minus a2 plus a, I have been asked you to cross check, go through it once whether it is an odd function or even function. Okay. Now, I understood that I am leaving it as a homework. You all know how to check whether the given function is an even function or odd function. Please try to apply the property and check whether it is even or odd. I already did according to my convention. So, according to my understand what I found is this given function is an even function. If it is an even function, then you know this limit can be further written as 2 times of 0 to infinity. In the bracket we have 12 times of what we have, cos 2 pi t into sin 4 pi t. In the denominator we have 4 pi t into dt. So, according to even function property I have written this, and after that let us look into this. Take all constant parameters outside. If we take all constant outside, see there 2 is there. If you take 12 outside, 2 into 12 will become 24. In the denominator if you observe, since we are doing integration with respect to t, so I can't take t outside, but we can take 4 pi outside. 4 pi will become outside. Then this limit will become 0 to infinity. One more thing, we can't directly integrate when we have cos and sin. It is in multiplication. If they are in addition, then the integration will become easy. So, since they are in multiplication, I am looking for the addition. How to convert this? Directly I am just taking them out. It is in the form of cos A sin B. When we have cos A sin B, we all know this formula can be written as sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B upon 2. Can we write like this? Yes. Now we know in place of A, what we have? In place of A we have 2 pi t. Yes sir. In place of B we have 4 pi t. So how will you substitute here? First case we have to add both. 2 pi t plus 4 pi t will giving you 6 pi t. Here value of A is 2 pi t, value of B is 4 pi t. So 2 pi t minus 4 pi t, because A minus B. So 2 pi t minus 4 pi t will be giving us minus 2 pi t, but sin of minus theta will be equal to minus sin theta. Already one more minus is there here, so I am replacing it by plus overall, and this sin, in place of A minus B we can put 2 pi t alone, because I have taken minus outside. Finally, what is the result we got from here? This sin A, that is this cos A sin B can be replaced by sin 6 pi t plus same sin 2 pi t, and in the denominator we have a t. See there, from the formula we have to take 2 also. Just observe, in the denominator we have 2, so I am considering that 2 also. 2t is there. You can take that 2 outside as usual, because that is also constant, so that one can be taken out. Finally, this function can be written as 24 upon 4 into 2 will become 8. So 8 times of pi, in bracket it is going to be 0 to infinity. Can I write like this? Sin 6 pi t upon t plus sin 2 pi t upon t. I left one more part here, that is dt. So this can be further written as, yes, overall limit is going to be dt. Now directly we are going to write the answer here. Sir, how we are going to write the answer? The answer is, let me tell you one thing here. Whenever your sign is defined in this form 0 to infinity, you should travel from 0 to infinity. Sin, you can keep any value here. Let me generally keep p, sin pt by t into dt. If you are observing this, the resultant answer will be simply written as pi by 2. So here in place of p, doesn't matter whether you are having 2 pi, 4 pi, 6, 10, 12, 30, 40, 40 pi, 1000 pi, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. This integration limit will be simply giving you pi by 2. Directly I am giving the answer, because we are not learning concepts in order to write down the step by step solutions. Just do remember, that is sufficient. I told you, you will be learning everything through problems. So here I am covering entire things that are required in order to crack all questions. At the end of the whole lecture series, definitely you will get the complete idea to crack all type of questions. Okay, fine sir. So here from this I can say sin pt by t into dt equal to pi by 2. From this what I can conclude, 0 to infinity, if you observe the first case, first we are having 6 pi, second case we are having 2 pi, but I said it doesn't matter whether you are having 2 pi, 6 pi, 10 pi, 11 pi, 30 pi, 1000 pi, lakhs pi. 0 to infinity sin pt by t into dt can be written as pi by 2 only. So this limit can be further written as 24 by 8 pi. I can write down the limit 0 to infinity sin of 6 pi t by t into dt plus again 0 to infinity same limit sin of 2 pi t by t into dt. But as we saw the property, from this property this whole function will be rewritten as pi by 2, first one. Of course second one also going to be pi by 2 only, because we are not writing the value with respect to this coefficient of t. I told you coefficient of t whatever it is, no need to be bother, simply write the resultant answer is pi by 2. From this the conclusion, pi by 2 plus pi by 2 will become pi only. So simply we can say 24 by 8 pi into pi, pi will get cancelled. We know we can cancel it, 3 times of 8 will give you 24. So the correct answer for this question is what? 3. So 3 is the correct answer. In our today lecture, what we understood? We understood one most beautiful property like integration of 0 to infinity. I have been covered sin pt by t into dt equal to pi by 2. Right, so this value will be equal to pi by 2, and we also recaptured one more formula. We might have learned these things in our childhood. Cos a sin b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus by 2. Similarly, if I will write the expression for sin a cos b, then what you will be observing? Sin a cos b. Sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b by 2. So we know the formula for that one also. In the same way, just to recapture what is the relation for sin a, sin b, cos a, cos b, because they all are little bit important while solving the problems which are related to integration. So this is all for this lecture. Remaining things we will see in the next class.